Day 10. Overfeeding supplements can reduce growth. Supplements are meant to support the growth and not replace management. More supplements does not mean more growth, farmers. By day 10, broilers are growing fast, and overdoing supplements can actually slow them down. And here's how. Farmers who overuse supplements, a common thinking is that if a little helps, it means more can be more helpful. So, farmers, this is the grave mistake: is that we do double doses, we mix different supplements together, we add supplements every day. This feels like protection, but it creates more stress in the birds. Too many supplements stresses out the bird's gut. What happens inside the birds is the following. Digestive system gets overloaded with all these new things introduced. The gut balance is disturbed. Number 3 is that the feed digestion becomes inefficient. Why? Because the body is trying to discover what is this new mineral, what is this new supplement, what is this new vitamin, what is this new carbohydrate, protein, etc., etc., etc. And all of that confuses the gut, and the bird at the end can't eat normally and also can't absorb the nutrients efficiently. Number 3, some supplements actually reduce the feed intake. Think about it. A high level of vitamins, minerals, and strong additives can actually have changed the taste of the water, can actually reduce the drinking, can actually reduce the feed intake. Birds drink less, birds eat less, birds grow less. That's the theory. So adding all these different new supplements will result in all of those factors. Number 4, supplements cannot fix bad management. Key, bad management. The important truth is that supplements cannot protect poor temperature, they cannot protect dirty water, they cannot protect wet litter. They only work when the basics are already done and when they are done correctly. Over supplementing costs money twice. How? You pay extra for these extra products, correct? And then secondly, there's slower growth, the slower feed conversion in your birds. So you lose more money by buying more supplements and losing out on the performance. So why this hurts your pockets is that birds will digest the feed poorly. Birds will eat less and the birds will drink less. And what will that do? This will take the birds even longer to reach their potential weight. This will take the birds to consume more feed faster. Your feed will reduce faster, but then your birds will still grow slower. And this will ultimately reduce your profit margins because you now have to get rid of smaller birds for a lower price. So what you can do on day 10 is follow the manufacturer's dosage, the process, read the instructions and try and adapt it to your situation as close as possible. Avoid mixing multiple supplements together. Avoid giving the birds vaccines and stress pack and multivitamins and extra supplements all in one day. The bird is going to be confused. Slow down. Slow down. Use supplements only when it's needed and focus on clean water and comfort before you do all these other things. Look, I have a day 1 to day 42 broiler checklist that can help you know when to give your bird supplements, know when to feed them, know when to give them water, know when to vaccinate, know when to give them stress pack, etc. And if you wanted more in detail, more insight, I have created a digital booklet called the Broiler Gems. The Broiler Gems, where I give a breakdown from day 1 to day 30 of how you can use as less money as possible and get as much money out of your investment as possible. If that is something you'd like, please click on the link in the description and I'll see you there. So this was the 1st of January and hence the footage is a bit odd. I didn't capture much footage, I was a bit fatigued. But hey, farmers got to do what a farmer's got to do. I promised a 42-day challenge and that's what I'm going to give. So if you look correctly, you can see that one drinker is actually empty of water. So it is now my responsibility to make sure that the birdies get their waters. It is imperative for me to do this because clean water results in a good gut, a good digestive system. A good digestive system equals to a good conversion of feed. A good conversion of feed equals to a good, healthy, solid bird growth. Thank you for tuning in on day 10. I'll see you again on day 11 as we complete our 42-day challenge. Thanks for watching. Remember, the free checklist is in the link in the description, and if you want the Broiler's Gems, the link is also in the description, and see you in day 11. Happy farming.